थोड़ा
Okay.
आपके सर की वजह से स्टार्ट।
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Dr. Amit. Well, we are performing pediatric liver biopsy in this case, who is having jaundice and hepatitis and hepatosplenomegaly. So this is a USG guided procedure. We had undergone through all aseptic precautions. As you can see on USG, we are seeing a diffusion, and we'll be introducing now the needle and.
फायर निकाल लो।
So we have collected the first tissue.
भर लेंगे। इसको सीधा horizontal, this is the tissue.
This is the tissue which we have collected. Can we get the needle? So as we can see, we have got a very nice slice of tissue. This is classical liver tissue which is we had collected, and now we'll be having the second shot. So to improve the sensitivity of the test result, and so that we can perform more tests, we will usually collect 2 or 3 slices in this procedure. Performing this procedure under USG guidance is always safe and always recommended.
फायर
Okay, so we have collected a second tissue. Which we will be collecting in the okay, formalin one. Okay.
we will take dry sample at the end.
Second tissue which we had collected. Now the third one, for dry one, we will be collecting in our third shot. We are performing this procedure through anterior axillary line, and as the liver is massively enlarged, so the third sample is also collected, and this will be collecting in the dry one. Paper, do you take the glossy paper?
Take on the paper.
So in this way this procedure is complete. Now post procedure to be slightly sticky, typical of liver tissue. That came out now. Okay, So the procedure is eventful. The baby's vitals wise also stable, and now for some time we'll keep baby NBM. We have done under this FFP cover, fresh frozen plasma. We have arranged this for this baby, and we are thankful to Dr. Amrish Prakashi, whose able guidance we had completed this procedure, and our team of Josna sister and the supporting staff. So really looking forward to diagnosing this case, and hopefully we will be able to treat this baby. Thank you.